I've got the July Ice Cream Beauty Box. So if you want to see what they've put together for the hot summer sun, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's just off doing Chloe things, relaxing. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe button. All right, so let me get into the Ice Cream Beauty Box for July. Their theme is Roaring Summer Nights. And I'm hoping this blue is a kind of a sneak peek. I have no idea what's in here. I didn't check out the sneak peeks this month. Here is your sneak peek. Not much, I know, but all right, I've gone ahead and gotten everything out of its packaging so it's easier to show you and I don't have to struggle with the packaging. And we're going to start with this baked eyeshadow. It's called Set List. This is from Medusa's Makeup, and it is a cruelty-free and vegan indie company, and I really like the makeup that I've gotten from them. They do have their own bag, I think it is, and it's really reasonably priced if you want to try them out. Pretty silver, nice and light, and you could definitely buff that out a little bit lighter with a brush even. Nice. So it says, Set List is your ticket to the ultimate roaring summer night. This high-impact bake shadow brings the energy with rich shimmer and smooth buildable pigment that performs under any spotlight. Apply dry for a soft, radiant glow, or amp it up with a damp brush for a bold, metallic finish that lasts all night. Oh, now I feel like I have to try that. All right, I'm going to go get some water. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, look at how that stands out. Darken it up a little bit. Gorgeous. That's a $14 value, and baked products are very good for more mature skin. Good. I mean, it's also good for oily skin too. Next, by Cheeky Rose Beauty, we have the Glossy Baby 12 Universal Lip Palette. Let's take a look at that. Very, very pretty. A little bit of sweat from being in the sun. I'm not going to swatch this because I think I have something very similar to this. So, but the colors are gorgeous. I want to check. I don't want to swatch it until I know for sure. But those are some really, really pretty colors. So I'm super excited. And if I do have something like that, I'm super excited to find my other one and pull it out. I think it's at my house and it could be anywhere. That is a $22 value. And it says, meet the showstopper of the season, encased in, no, wrong one, sorry, 12 juicy high shade shine, 12 juicy high shine shades in one beautiful compact. It's got a $22 value, and you can also use it on your cheeks. All right, next by Chantico Beauty. We have, this looks like, oh, it's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, wait till you see this packaging. Oh my goodness. All right. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's a cute little bear. Oh my goodness. And then when you pull the head off, you have the little wand there. Oh my goodness. So immediately when I put it on, I saw that blue, which I know you guys are definitely getting there. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And it's very creamy, like it's very liquidy. So just as a heads up, if you do get this, if you dab it right on, you're going to get quite a bit. I did kind of push it out with just a finger for a little bit of kind of like how it's going to look on your eye when you move it around like that. That is a $20 value. And it does say you're going to apply directly to the lid with the wand and let it dry. No need for base or powder. Make sure to keep an eye out for the full collection on the Chantico website. Get $10 off their latest 9 duochrome Diosa Volume 1 palette. Okay, well, I'm excited to go check that out. I do love Chantico Beauty too. Next, we have by Medusa's Makeup the Halo Glow Face Stick in the color Tiger Lily. And, oh, this is lovely pink. All right. Beautiful. Goes on very, very creamy. All right, and then I just buffed that out so that it's just like a nice little, it's right up here, so you can barely see it because I just buffed it in real good. So you can kind of get an idea how it would look on you. And then last, oh, did I tell you that is $12. Last is the eyeshadow palette. This is from Dee Dee's Signature, and this is the Lioness Heart Pressed Pigment Palette. It does have the Ice Cream Beauty label on there, so this might have been made specifically for Ice Cream Beauty. And this looks to be an all matte, lovely colors. I have one that looks like it's, yeah. Oh no, okay, oh, it's not. I thought this was something coming out, but no, they just put little pads over the shiny colors. Look at that. Ooh. This is a mix of rich mattes, radiant shimmers, and shifty duochromes that roar with pigment and fierce versatility. Dropping just in time for Leo season, this palette honors strength, confidence, and beauty of matriarchs. And this is a $40 value, and it does say make sure to check out their new Golden Tides palette. That sounds dreamy. All right, so we have to check out the shinies. You can kind of pick up the flip as I move my hand like this. This one right here shifts from like an orange to a pink, and as soon as I put it on, like I saw it as I was kind of moving it out. This one here has like a yellow, but then also like a iridescent whitish blue. You see, you're catching the gold right there. And then this one, which is looking purple, goes on as like a purple pink. This one here has like, this one on top has green and pink and blue, gold in it. Like this has just so many different, I'm not doing it justice here. It's kind of like you pick it up when it's like this. All right, you have to trust me on that. Now we certainly have some lovely mattes in here, so I'm going to go into 4 of those. All right, so there are some of those mattes. And I just picked some colors that I thought had a little bit more pigment in them. Now my fingers are all sparkly. All right, I think that was a really good box. I'm really impressed. Love everything in here. I think everything is lovely, absolutely just gorgeous. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. Very happy with this box. $24 might have gone up a little bit. $25 might have gone up a couple of dollars, but still, like, yeah, right on. You keep doing it. You guys at Ice Cream Beauty, you keep doing what you're doing because you are doing it perfectly. Okay, well, that's my Ice Cream Beauty box. Let me know your thoughts. Are you as impressed with this as I am, or are you underwhelmed? Let me know. I'm good either way. I didn't put together the box, but I do really like it. I do think that they do a nice job of pairing up different elements to go together and at really focusing on a makeup forward box with indie companies, which I really enjoy. Most of their companies, if not all of their companies, are cruelty free. I don't think I've ever gotten anything in this box that wasn't cruelty free. So I'm going to go with that they focus on cruelty free as well as a lot of female-owned, if not all female-owned brands. So I really like that. I really like how they focus on small businesses, indie companies that, you know, I know we're struggling right now. So happy that we could help support them. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.